Hi everyone, welcome back to Mella's channel. Here is the Little Dino Naruto 2U1 card box and this one is the HY0802 and different from the 1U1 card box. This one has little more packs inside than the 1U1 card boxes, and I'm really excited to see what's the difference between the two card boxes. Hopefully, we do get an SP here. Like, I haven't been really lucky for SPs on these little dino card boxes, but hopefully, we get them soon. And I'm really excited to see what CP cards are we gonna get and the UR cards as well. The artwork on the box itself is really pretty and the box itself is really shiny unlike the one you want card boxes. And we do get a badge pin on this one instead of a additional pack. And here's the look of the artwork for the card pack itself. Today, I'm gonna show you the three boxes of the Naruto Little Dino, and this one is the first Naruto card box that I have opened from Little Dino. It is the HY1801, and this is the second one that I have opened, and this one is the HY1901, and the center is the one that we are actually gonna be opening today and we'll be focusing today. It is a 2U1 card box. The first two boxes was 1U1 card boxes, and here are the arts on their packs. And these packs, I have double purpose on them. I don't just throw them. I use them as a storage first before I do put them on a proper storage after sorting everything out. And here's the art pack for the 2U1 card box that we are gonna be opening today. And let's open one first. And let's see if it's also 4 cards inside or like 5 cards with the redeem card inside. First, we got the rare card and it's really shiny. Like, let me get this one from the other box. The rare card of the 1U1 card box are basic, and for the rare card for the 2U1 card box are really shiny. And we got Might Guy Sensei, and we got an SR, and we got the redeem card. And we got Sabosa, Hinata, and we got the UR of Sakura, very pretty with a gold and silver background. And of course, I have here my case, and you know what's inside? It's for the sleeves. And I just got to get it ready on the side so I could sleeve the cards that I wanted to sleeve first so that it will not be damaged while I'm opening the other cards. And now that it's all protected, here's the look of the back. And for the next cards, the redeem card, then we got Deidara, Hidan, Chiyo, and we got an SR of Rin, another redeem card. We got Obito, Itachi, and we got an SR of Minato. And for the next three packs, we have Conan, Gamabunta, Jugo, and we have the SR of Young Kakashi, another redeem card, and we have Hashirama, another Hashirama, double in one pack, and we have a rare of Naruto, we have an SR of Sasuke, and we got another SR of Naruto, double in one pack. That's very lucky to me that I got two hits in one pack and the redeem card. And we got a rare of Obito, Sasuke, we have Gaara, and we have a UR of Sasuke with the gold and the silver background. Like in person, like it's much nicer than on the video. And let me sleeve it up for a bit. And the UR of Sasuke is really nice. A young Sasuke. And let's open some more packs. And for the whole video, like you will not hear me talking a lot. And for the first card, we do have Sakura, we have Hashirama, and we have a rare of Itachi, and we have an SSR of Naruto. Like I really like the artworks on this 2U1 card box of Naruto. This is the HY0802, and so far I'm really loving it that I want to get more box of this if I could get more. And we have the redeem card. And For the rare card, we have Naruto, we have Mei, we have Might Guy, and we got an SSR of Chiyu, and we have another redeem card. Like for the redeem cards, like I have a lot of them, but I'm just keeping them for now. And we have Itachi, we got an SR of Pain, and another redeem card. And here is the rest of the packs that we are gonna be opening, about 8 9 packs, and let's open some more packs. And we have Jiraya, another Jiraya, and we have Kaara, and we have a CP of Sakumo Hatake. And of course, I have to sleeve this CP card. And here's the look of the back. And the redeem card. Then we got Asuma, another Asuma, and we have Might Guy, and we got another CP, and this time it's Madara. Like they're super pretty. Like I do like the CPs that I got. Let me sleeve this up first. And the redeem card, then we got Kakashi, Minato, we have Hidan, and we got an SR of Ino, and the redeem card. Let's open first the rest of the box, then let's see the rest of the cards. And definitely, I will be doing a comparison between the three boxes. Like I'll open some packs for the three boxes at another video. And let's get the cards out, and let's see. For our first card, we got the rare of May. We have Naruto, we have Kakashi, and we got an SSR of Haku and the redeem card. Then we got a rare of Jiraiya, Deidara, Minato. And we got an SR of Hashirama and another redeem card. And let's get the rest of the cards. And the artworks used on these cards are really, really nice. I like the HY 1901. That's so funny. Like, we have Obito, we have Tobirama, and like if you haven't seen my other videos on the card openings, like you have to see it. Like it's also fun. They have fun artwork, different kind of artwork than this card box as well. Like for the little Dino Naruto card boxes, they have different kind of artworks. They're not all throughout the same. And we have SR of Anko, and that's it. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you again and follow for more.